Are you in this category? Your skin has been damaged, like your skin barrier have been damaged, your skin have thinned out, like you are suffering from rough skin, you are suffering from dry skin, you have like you people will literally see veins and all the rest on your skin. Guys, you see this particular product I'm going to talk about on this video, you need to rush and go and get it. You love what is alright. You love what is alright. So if you know you want to get that healthy skin, you want to get the skin looking so healthy, glow and beautiful and radiant, then dive straight into this video and watch it to the end to hear everything I need to say about this product, the skin type that you need to buy, the particular one you need to buy. If you have oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, rough skin, flex skin, don't worry. I will be explaining to you on this video the particular one you need to buy if you have any of this skin type. And you don't need to be skeptical. If you have a sensitive skin, you don't need to be skeptical about this product. You will use it. It's mild. Like this product is mild and it's going to work perfectly. So let's dive straight into this video. Don't skip any part because I explain everything detailed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome. If you're my old and returning subscriber, I love and appreciate you all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yes guys, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, my name is Vivian Arus, founder of OlyveenSkinCare. On this channel we talk about skincare, we do product review, we talk about generally everything about beauty, and also guys, amazing supplements, authentic products. So if this is what you would like to indulge in, so do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, like, and also turn your post notification bell on so that you'll be notified each time we drop any video on this channel. So guys, the cream we're going to be talking about on this video today is this particular cream here, Lotion cream. Okay, look at it here. This is the cream. So this cream here has the cream, it has the gel, it also have the lotion. It's come in 3 different range. Okay, the lotion, the cream, and the gel. So this one here is the cream, is what I came out with today, is the cream. I'm going to insert the lotion and the gel and somewhere around this video so that you see all the whole ranges. Okay, yeah. So for a lot of you asking, well, how does this cream work, you guys know that this is my, like, I come out straight and I tell you how things work. I don't fake it. Okay, so if you know you are in this category, you want, your skin barrier is damaged, your skin barrier is damaged. This is not a bleaching cream. Let me just start with that one first. This is not a bleaching cream. This is a cream that will blend your skin. It's a cream that will help to restore back your skin elasticity. It will help to restore back your skin barriers. Yes, this is a skin, like a cream that will really work on your skin barrier. If your skin have thinned out, you can see, right? You know, some people when they do like this, you literally see yourself through their skin. So this cream here will do the work for you. This will help to firm your skin. It will help to strengthen your skin. It will help to restore back your skin barrier. It will help to restore back your skin elasticity. This is what this cream does. It's a ceramide cream. Okay, so if you know your skin have been damaged, or you are looking for a cream that you need to use to substitute your whitening product, in between you're using between your whitening product, we can go and get this product, and it's very good. Like, it's good for all skin type. Like, sensitive skin can use this cream. Like, if you have a sensitive skin and you're skeptical if this cream will work for you, trust me, baby girl, this cream is going to work for you because it's so good and it's very mild. It's not a cream that will damage your skin. It's not a cream that will leave your skin looking so rough and odorous. This cream is going to help to repair your skin. For real, it's going to help to restore back your skin elasticity. And the one thing I like about this product is that they did it in a different ranges for people that have oily skin, dry skin, and also combination skin. The particular one you should go for. So on this video, I'm going to also explain to you the particular one you should order for or you should buy if you have oily or dry or combination skin. Okay, so yes, so this particular one right here is the cream. So this cream here is suitable for people that have dry skin, flex skin, rough skin, redness, and also that have this dry and flex skin. Okay, yes, this will work so well. This is the one you should order for. This particular one is the one you should order for if you have dry skin, flex skin, and redness, itching skin. Buy this one right here. This one will help to suit the skin. This one will help to moisturize your skin. Yes, this is good. This is perfect for people with dry skin. While the lotion is good for people that have combination skin. If you know you have combination skin, if you know you have normal skin, buy the lotion. You can even use it as a day cream, night cream. You can use it so well, like it works so well and it blends the skin so well. Okay, then if you're in this category, you have oily skin, you have acne prone skin, then order the gel. buy the gel one. Okay, the gel is also like this, but the lotion one is like a lotion bottle. I'm going to insert it somewhere in this, around this video. Yes, so if you are oily skin, acne prone skin, I will advise you to get the gel. The gel is going to help to control excess oil on your skin. That is what that one is meant for oily skin types. Okay, while the combination skin, buy the lotion. The lotion is more a kind of lightweight, more than this one is thick. Look at the consistency of this cream here. Is thick. You guys can see it's very thick. It's very one thing I love about this cream is, in as much as it's thick, it blends so well on the skin. It blends so easily. I want you to see something. You see how it blends so fast, like it blends so fast on the skin. You can see, in as much as it's thick, but it blends so well. You can see, and it glows and also moisturizes. That is one thing I love about it. Like I told you guys, that for people that have dry skin should buy this particular one. You can see how it's moisturized on the skin. It's moisturized the skin, right? And it blends so fast on the skin. It blends so well, and you can see the difference. So this one here is good, and then the lotion is kind of more lighter in consistency. Then the gel is even more lighter than the lotion in consistency. So this lotion here is very good, like very good. If you have it, like, one thing I love about this cream, guys, it gives this smooth feels on the skin. It gives you this smooth and soft feeling. It's not greasy. It's not greasy at all on this. You can see how well it blends. Yeah, this is not a sponsored ad, but I'm just being honest with you guys. How this blends so well on my skin. It makes your skin so healthy and glow. It gives you this glow and smooth feeling on the skin without being greasy, or you can see, right? So yes, this is why I encourage you guys, if you know you have a dry skin, go for this particular one. Combination skin and normal skin, buy the lotion. Then why oily skin and acne prone skin should buy the gel. Buy the gel, that will work very well on you. But if you know you have a very dry skin, like you have extremely dry skin, I also advise you to add body oil to this product. After using it, you can then incorporate your body oil for more moisturizing effect on your skin. Yes, and then this cream here is not really a whitening cream, and it's not going to darken your skin. If you are naturally fair, it's going to give you, like, it's going to maintain that your natural fairness. Like, and then even if you're dark skin, this cream is also going to work. The thing is, try to incorporate a good soap. Get a good soap and use alongside with this thing. You will love it. And you can equally use it in between your whitening products. Okay, in between your whitening product, you can use this in between. You can use it like 3 times in a week, and then incorporate your whitening products or your whitening cream at night. Then use this one in the morning. This is a ceramide cream. It contains ceramide. This cream is so mild that a sensitive skin person can use it. It doesn't irritate your skin. Instead, it will even help to restore back your skin. Like your skin, if you have a damaged skin, like you have used a bleaching product and the bleaching product have damaged your skin, this cream here will restore back your skin elasticity. It will also restore back your skin barriers. So this is an ID for those of you that is suffering from damaged skin. Go and grab this product here, and then buy a good soap to use it together with this product. I know a lot of you will ask me, Olivine, can this cream be used on the face? My answer is yes. You can literally use it on your face. It doesn't have a harmful ingredient on it. It doesn't have a ingredient that will harm your skin. But I will also advise you use it only at night on your face. If you want to use it as a moisturizer on your face, you can use it at night. Use it at night on your face to moisturize your face, to lock up moisture on your face, and to restore back your skin barrier on your face. Okay, so this cream here give you this plump skin. It gives you this plump feel. You know when you're using a collagen product, collagen supplements, the way it feels. Yes, this is how this thing does. Love the feel, the way it feels on the skin, the way it makes your skin soft. Like this product here give this smooth and a soft skin. Okay, so if you're this kind of person, you like when touching your skin, like you literally want to feel your skin. You will feel your skin, that yes, you apply something healthy. Do you understand me? You know, that healthy feel, that is the health, like the feel you will get on your skin, and it's not greasy. You can see it's not greasy. It's so, it makes your skin soft and smooth, not greasy. It doesn't leave any greasy feel on the skin at all. Please try and get a good soap and use alongside with this product, and don't use a soap that is too harsh. If you are treating your skin, don't use a product that is a soap that is too harsh. You can incorporate also a mild soap, and trust me, your skin, you will literally love the way your skin will come out. Yes, I said so. You will literally love the feel, the feel on your skin. You will love it. Do you understand? So try and buy original one, get a good soap. I can, okay, maybe in my next video I'll tell you guys a mild soap you can combine with this product here, and you will love it. Like a normal soap you can get in the supermarket that you people don't know that is working, then you can combine them together with this product, and trust me, your skin will get, like, you see that skin like milk, you will get it. The product that work, I will come and review whether paid or not paid. This is not a sponsored ad, this is not a sponsored video, sorry. Yes, this product, yes, a lot of people have asked me about this, and I said don't worry, I'm going to try this and then come back with my honest review. And this is it. This product is good. Is it good? It's working. Get the one that suits your skin type. It's made for all sensitive skin can tolerate this cream, but then inside the product you now see this particular one that is meant for the particular skin type. Hope guys are making sense, right? So buy this one if you have a dry skin, buy the lotion if you have a combination or normal skin, buy the gel if you have if you have this oily skin or acne prone skin. Don't do the mistake of buying the one that will not suit your skin and you come back and tell me that the product is not working. Please, let's be guided on this, okay? So this is it. I can screenshot, buy original one, okay? Try to buy original one of this product or buy from us anyways. Yes, so this is it. So let me know in the comment section if you are using this product already, if it's how it's working for you, or if you give this product a trial. And don't forget, when you buy this product, if it works for you, come back here with your testimony, because I know definitely it's going to work for you, trust me. So guys, if you have watched to this end, thank you so much. That's it for this video. If you find this video useful, helpful, don't forget to give it a good thumbs up, like, and also subscribe, share this video, and turn your post notification bell to be updated each time we drop any other video on this channel, so that you get notified. Okay guys, see you in my next video. I love you guys.